Now, as I've tried all of these creatine myself, let's do a quick and honest review of them. Firstly, let's move on to Beast Life, which is the most controversial on this list. So देखो, मेरा review is firstly, this is not yet Trustified, certified or any third party lab tested. मैंने खुद ये Blinkit से मंगाया था because I had some urgency for creatine at that time. And talking about some parameters like mixability, it is as good as other brands. वहाँ पे कोई problem नहीं है. But the issue is as compared to other brands, मुझे इसमें visual और strength में results नहीं मिले. Now considering its affordability, अगर इन्हें कोई third party certification मिल जाता है, then it's good to go. But for now, I'll rate this creatine 6 on 10. Now let's move on to the second on this list, which is Tata 1mg. Super affordable, great mixability, results and Trustified certified. But the only downside that this creatine carries is its packaging. This creatine comes in a pouch-like structure which catches moisture easily. और तुम्हारा creatine जल्दी stones form कर लेगा. But an easy solution to this is, as soon as you buy this creatine, transfer it to any another container and you are good to go. Tata 1mg easy 9 on 10. Now we'll talk about the Muscle Bliss creatine, जो कि एक Creapure वाला है. Now for those who don't know what Creapure is a type of creatine which is produced in Germany and imported from there. और हमारे जो बाकी creatine होते हैं उनमें normal creatine होता है जो चाइना में प्रोड्यूस होता है और वहाँ से इंपोर्ट किया जाता है. Now to summarize it quickly, भाई मत लो, Creapure के नाम से बस पैसे ले रहे हैं तुमसे. मैंने कुछ 1400 रुपए का खरीदा था ये और रिजल्ट सेम थे और इवन कम थे हमारे नॉर्मल क्रिएटिन से. और ऊपर से इसकी मिक्सेबिलिटी भी अच्छी नहीं है, so I'll give it 5 on 10. Now comes the Muscle Bliss Cream. बीच में इसके बहुत दबा के पेड प्रमोशन कैंपेन चालू थे, but don't worry, I'll give you an honest review. So micronized, good mixability, results and again Trustified certified. But the problem जो मैंने और मेरे दोस्तों ने फेस किया था while consuming it for the first time is bloating issues. That's why I'll rate it 8.5 on 10. Now lastly we have the OG which is Velcor. Unflavored 10 on 10, flavored 10 on 10. No doubt. Flavored में specially ये kiwi वाला. Like literally you'll enjoy sipping this flavor every time you drink it. Now these were all my personal opinions and that's it for this video. Consider following me. I have been posting content for the last 6 months consistently. That is it for today. Follow for more and see you tomorrow.